What's up, guys? I'm Sean from Srkcycles. Here's another new rider question that I am happy to answer. Now, I know a lot of you guys, when you guys buy your bike, you spend all your money on your bike. The rest of you borrowed money to buy your gear. Maintenance and routine maintenance and safety is not really a big thing on your item list. It is very important when you're looking at your tires, and it's kind of bold in the middle. A lot of you guys are thinking, well, I just won't ride it in the rain. There's a lot of problems with this. One, you get stuck in the rain. You don't know when it's going to happen. A bald tire in the middle could be extremely dangerous in the rain. You would have very little traction. Two, at that point, the profile of your tire is changing. So when it's all worn in the center, the profile is different, and it's not going to handle as well as the bike should. Now, if you bought the bike that way, then it has never handled the way it should. And if you've been riding the bike since the tire was new, then your handling is getting worse and worse and worse, and you don't notice it because you just kind of, it's like the frog inside the boiling pot of water. You haven't noticed it. Once you put the proper profile tire on your bike with good traction, it will be better. So a couple issues. The bike's not handling as well as it should, which is a dangerous thing. The bike will not stop as well as it should because it doesn't have traction, and the bike does not have as much traction as it should. Change your tire, all right? It is a big deal. Don't be lax about it. I know we've all done it. I've done it. You've done it. But tires are extremely important. There's about this much contact patch, about maybe 2 square inches of contact patch actually connecting your 50 to 200 horsepower motorcycle to the asphalt. If that tire is junk, you have 2 inches of crap connecting you to the road. It is extremely important. I hope that answers the question. If you have more comments, leave them below. I'll be answering more. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.